What it do, gang? It's your boy CJ on 32s, and I'm back with another video. Guys, bad enough that we on lockdown, but this shit right here on the whole nother demographic right here, man, and it freaking sucks. So I can't enjoy nothing I got. That's the bad thing about owning muscle cars in the winter. Shit, you're paying on them and they just sitting. Shit, 6 months if you out in the Midwest. But this shit, y'all ready? Guys, snow. What are we, in the middle of April? Shit, just about the end of April, and we got snow everywhere. This is crazy. It's not gonna last, but still though, I could pick up a snowball and slap Al in the back of the neck. Oh no, damn, they done killed Hoppy over here. He done hopped his ass right into somebody's truck. Dang, bro, I feel bad for you, son. Dang, they done hit my boy. His ass won't be hopping no more. Dang. Ronan and got to you too. Yeah, but like I was saying, guys, this is ridiculous, man. It's snow, and I'm late for work. Guess I'm never gonna get to take the C8 out again. This shit. Alright, 32 gang, your boy is running late as usual. Look at this, big globs of snow on the front windshield. Had to get out the car, wipe the damn windshield. Now they ain't even going no more. Come on, man. Look at this shit. Snow all on the floor, man. Tell me if this don't blow your high and keep you unmotivated, man. Can't win for losing right now out here in the Midwest. It's bad enough what we going through, man. It's crazy. But anyway, guys, I'm on my way to the shop. I gotta open up for off-road Al and get a few things done. If you go to my community on YouTube, hold on 1 second. If you go to my community on YouTube, you will see that I posted the rims for the Scat Pack. They not done yet. They still gotta get clear coated. They still gotta add some black words to the rims. But guys, when I tell you that they a game changer, ooh-wee, y'all see them fat faces, so imagine a lip. They gonna go deep down into the lip. So I need the whole 32 gang. First, I need the whole 32 gang to like this video, drop a thumbs up. Then I need y'all to get in the comment section and let me know what y'all think about the new Forgiatos that's coming. Hopefully they be here next week for the Scat Pack. But then y'all know we gotta go over the Sammys, because this ain't your average wheel right here. So this ain't your average car because of the wide body. So things gotta get modified. So like I said, hopefully they come next week and let me know what y'all think about the wheels for the Scat Pack, man. And also, might as well announce it now. Got wheels coming for the Corvette too. Ordered them yesterday. So just got a lot of shit coming, man. It's gonna be a real interesting summer. Y'all know what it is, 32 gang. Shop flow, workflow. It's Friday. Had to open up for my boy Al. We got my boy Julio in the building, getting down already. Man, what you got on? What you doing with that, Mikey? Discount tire jacket on, man. That's supposed to say Crusader Customs. Fired. Mikey, you smell like a little puff puff give. Little puff puff pass.
Somebody's been happy.
Dang, Mikey around this boy getting lit up. That's what you doing?
Yeah.
Gotta give you a drug test, man. Your ass is fired. Well, anyway, guys, Mikey just finished hooking up, putting these Forgiatos on this Infinity over here, so we gonna check it out. Black on black. Oh, he missing a cap. Did he have it or no? Nah. It's missing one? Yeah. Oh, bro, gotta get that cap on here. Can't be riding like that, bro. And this is supposed to be in the back. Orgies. Black orgies. Gotta touch that up for him. He done socks, skirt.
Look at this. This is Taj Gibson. Huh? Taj Gibson from the Chicago Bulls.
These came off top. Taj Gibson's Range Rover.
Range Rover.
Yeah. That's what he said. We got the black one shot. I told him we'll touch up the front for him. So yeah, that's right. Todd Gibson. Man, I ain't working shit. I'm working at my desk.
You want to touch up this wheel or you want to touch up?
It don't matter. I got it. Just give me the paint.
You're the Picasso, right?
He missing the cap. There your hustle go, Al. Sell him a cap. Huh? You hear me?
I got it.
Oh, I thought he ain't have it. Julio said he didn't have it. Oh, man, Julio, you fired. I done fired his ass 3 times in 5 minutes. What y'all think, 32 gang? Todd Gibson.
He's got adapters on there. This is the wrong volt pattern. It actually looks pretty good because it's more out.
Out, yeah.
Because, I mean...
Nice size tire on there, too. Oh, he do got the cap. Julio was wrong. Don't shoot me. Shoot the messenger over there. Nice clean look.
Nice feel.
Yeah. I like the models up from these. The next one after this that came out.
Yeah,
This the older model.
80.
Yeah, I like that. The other one that looked like a super sharp.
That's what I was telling her to get her. Do you still think the BMW still looks nicer?
Yeah, I like the BMW. I always like the X6.
I mean, these are nice too.
That's right.
Remember Bart had that one that was the S-Type?
Yeah, yeah. That's Al's best friend, by the way. That's Al's best friend, by the way, guys. But anyway, I'm about to paint this wheel so the customer can get out of here. He been here a while, so we're gonna knock that out. And
Stay
then,
tuned, we'll see how Picasso does.
no, stay tuned. We'll see how off-road Al do. But you laughing?
Yeah.
Hey, don't laugh at no jokes, man. Don't laugh at no jokes. Your ass fired. Don't laugh at on the job. It's been one hell of a day. It's closing time. We got Julio finna go home.
Man, I'm tired.
So,
Fuck off that paint in my back.
Paint. You back there? Man, get out. Your ass is fired. Got him fired this fool 7 times today, guys. I done fired him so much I fired my damn self. He came right in getting fired, man. Now he talking about he high. Now he back there sniffing paint. We can't find a worker for shit. So now you high, right?
Yeah.
Oh man, he admitting it on camera. He is fired. I'm finna go check this guy truck out outside, man. It's after hours. Look at that customer service, helping him after hours.
On the black diamond, this one here?
He got his truck tucking a little bit out here. Yeah, my man is looking for some new wheels. Bruh, you need to be looking for that body shop though. Look like he just came from a fresh wash. Or the snow just melting. Yeah, my dude. We gotta get that fixed, man. No more new wheels right now. Oh man, that's who Car Club he is. I should have known when he was tucking. I can't say it right. Like, how you say it? Lyenda trucking? Lyenda? Lyenda?
Yeah, I know the president and everything.
Yeah, of course, I do too. That's John, brother.
Yeah.
Okay. I see him. Y'all boy gotta step it up a little bit though, cause they trucks smooth. But I see him though, he got his tuck game in the back. Finna go in here and mess with him. Lyenda. Man, he in the trucking club. He in John brother and them club. Yeah.
So you know Luis and everybody else, right?
Yep.
And what's his name? The guy with
The black truck we just did on the boilers.
Did he find his key? Because I was supposed to rebalance his wheels. Then he couldn't find his key or something. For his lug nuts, for his spike lug nuts. Is that a 2-wheel drive or 4-wheel drive?
Y'all need some wheels, man. Got this wheel deal popping off. Look at that wheel right there. Ooh, zoom in, zoom out. Ooh, uh-oh, who ready for next month, though? Who's ready for Becky's return next month on my birthday, man? Jeez, I can't wait to see that full paint job on the whip. Look at them lips, man. That's gonna make like 7 cars on Forgiatos. Man, they need to give me a play. Also, I got to send these caps to PC. Let me know what y'all think. He wanna paint the inside of this, the color of the car. I just want to paint the F, to be honest with you. Like the Forgiato letters. I don't want to paint the inside of this. I think he want to do that because it's easier for him. But get in the comment section and let me know what y'all think. Them look so good. They gonna be chopping. Chop, chop. All right, bro. All right. Oh, what are they? You tired, boss?
I'm still trying to get this email.
You ready to get drunk?
That's right.
By his damn self, he think he finna come over and kick his feet up on my couch and drink. It ain't happening today, boss. I need a raise.
I might pass out on your couch.
Shit. There go, right there. Which one? You can sleep on the Gucci couch. Pick one. Uno, dos, tres.
You try calling this guy, that's his number, that 630 number with that cracked wheel.
Yeah, Billy. Man, Billy Babocas, man, I don't know where the hell you at, but you need to come pick your wheels up from the shop because we is closing. But anyway, guys, it's your boy CJ on 32s. Checking out with another video. Hey, tomorrow, guys, insane vlogs coming. We going to the dealership and we going to buy a new vehicle tomorrow. So stay tuned. Double upload coming tomorrow. I'm out, man.